ass munch.
There you go. That's a good jump scare for me in the future. There you go.
Oh shit, I'm jump scaring me now! I'm not muted!
Okay, there we go.
What happened?
My stream wasn't muted for me. I didn't have it muted. Got my ass. Expansions?
For VOD watchers, jump scares are at 315, 122, 45, and
and also the start of the stream.
48.
So if you're hearing this, you already got past the first one. Oh my god. Hold on, I might not be able to stream this game. Fuck! Oh, it worked! Oh, it worked! Challenge passed. Dude, 6 minutes into stream and we're finally starting. Let's go.
Let's go.
Holy shit. What's up, King?
Dude, just in time.
Just in time for the stream, bro.
Wait, what? I don't know if I can say this on stream, but there's a guy on my team and his name is Goopy Bussy.
You can say that on stream.
And I
hope. Because you just did.
Because you just did. I mean, if we're living in 1984, then maybe you can't. But we're living in a free world, I think. What is my car? Does my car look pink? Oh my god! Oh my god! Does my car look pimpin', dog?
Gotta be pimpin'.
Oh no! Oh my god! The foreign.
Oh, dude.
Oh no. Oh no.
You really rolled up in the wheels. Said, am I pimpin'? Brother, is that even a question?
I can't. It won't load the next area. It crashed. Teardown, you can use all of my CPU. Okay. From Jimmy Work. That's a good name.
James Steelfist?
Something around those lines.
Maybe I should go to sleep.
Come on, man.
I need like a spot where I can hit like both of these, right? What if I tear down this tree? Where do I need to hit? Right there. Hold up. This was probably a waste of time. Oh. Where exactly do I need to shoot? Right here? Okay, hold on.
Dude, I'm like a horse. Now.
In what way?
I'm jumping over hurdles.
Until this guy hears about people who like run marathons and shit in the Olympics.
Yeah, wait till this guy hears about people.
You got my ass so hard.
He's gonna freak.
You actually got me.
Okay.
I should be able to hit it.
Amber alert. Hazel Brewer wants to be my friend.
My phone blowing up.
My phone's blowing up.
My
I gotta
phone
feed my
blowing
fish.
up. My phone blowing up.
Dude, I forgot you had a fish.
And multiple.
How many?
Lots.
Okay.
I don't know.
Good
I'm
to
gonna
know.
fucking count.
You don't know how many fish you have?
I would never be able to count, dude. Come on. Don't play
No,
around.
you have that many fish. Or can you just not count?
I don't know how to count.
It could be either. If I shoot like right there. Yeah, that's baller. That works.
Oh,
Probably should that. I should remove the trees.
dude, that's a cool level. I haven't seen the new ones yet.
I haven't either. This is pretty dope though. Okay. I might just tear down that whole house, honestly.
Oh, dude, Teardown.
Tear down. It's like the game.
Dude.
Oh, Pog Bones. Wait, hold on. I keep forgetting to move the goddamn chat box up. There we go, Pog Bones.
Just give me that one pog bones.
Yeah,
Just sitting in
the rest of the time. Can I make this? Bro, easily. Not even a challenge can I make this. Dog, I really asked that, huh? I'm dumb as rocks, huh? Okay, so these two are free.
box of nails talking.
Box of nails. It's the
Oh.
Tetris.
Dude, I should make that picture. It's like a speech bubble coming out of a box of nails.
Yeah, it's got a hammer and then the nails. You got hammer, you got mammoth, you got
I
nails.
have a hammer. You have a hammer?
Yeah,
This bro got the DLC.
Give me that trading card. I don't have that one.
A trading card.
Shit, my bad. I'll give it to you if you give me dog with sniffing. Dog sniffing.
Sniffer.
Yeah.
#1 tree hater.
This user hates the environment.
Instant karma.
I think this level's free. Like I think
Okay.
I still have work to do.
The game ain't.
Okay.
Well, he said it as if like that would make me want to play it, and so it's like, yeah, but the game isn't.
Yeah, no, that's why I
Yeah.
said it.
You're not wrong, I guess. The game ain't.
The game ain't.
Am I wrong?
No, you're totally right.
Can I make this? Bro, this is fucking free. Holy moly. I just need to like find the angle.
Oh,
The
you meant
game-
the level. Like you
Yeah.
doing the level was free. I was like, okay. I don't know why
It's
you
like
would tell me
advertising
that.
for the game.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You have any on you?
Dude, I think that would happen so
Dude, give it a rest.
Yeah.
And
Dude, give it up.
it said,
Freudian
start
drip.
hostage distraction. And so I was like, okay. You said
Someone said hostage distraction. Dude, nothing but net with this guy.
Kobe.
Nothing but the cleanest net.
That's free. Okay.
Just collecting net.
Collecting net. Bitches out here collecting debt. I'm out here collecting net.
Dude, get on a platform and talk that shit to the world.
Bitches out here collecting debt. I'm out here collecting net.
Okay.
I was on a platform.
You can-
Uh,
I can't name all that.
Whopper.
Did somebody say
are you
Whopper?
saying? Whopper, are you saying?
Whopper, what are you saying?
No. No.
Is it drippy?
Whopper, are you saying?
I just like shoot it right there.
Whopper, are you saying?
Somebody said Big Mac.
Somebody said Whopper. Sorry, Big Mac. What?
Nobody said Whopper, dude. What the fuck?
What do you have against the gas pipe? Oh no.
Gas pipe.
Did somebody say gas pipe?
This has gone too far. Somebody say gas pipe. Drop some Jabastans in chat.
This is gonna help me with the level.
I think so, yeah. Looks like it.
I don't understand I don't understand.
Here for the gray alien.
Alien boomerang?
What's not too
Funny, it
good?
doesn't show up in the mini chat.
Yeah.
YouTube watchers are going to be
Time?
so confused.
Vaughters
Are
in
you
chat.
burning down the whole forest right now?
Shit.
You figured it out. What are you doing?
you had to make a decision on the way.
Oh shit. What happened? Who did this, bro?
Hey, you're gonna burn.
We're gonna be fine, bro. Maybe if you weren't such a cuck, things would be alright, okay?
I'm not even in your game.
No one's complaining but you.
You're being such a cuck right now.
Guys, this fire alert is going pretty high. I think I might. Oh my god. I might have to take care of it.
You should put gasoline on it.
Shit.
Crash this car.
Shit. Shit. It's getting a little
Streamer,
bumpy.
you suck at driving.
Streamer, do this. Car emoji.
Car explosion.
Yeah.
Alarm triggered by fire.
Wait, I have to shoot like around there. Yeah. Woo! We're okay. I just had to spam it. I think dude, this game is falling apart because of this fire, dog. We need to go. Hold on.
I warned you the second you did it.
Awesome.
This will fix things.
This will fix things. I can make it better.
Your objective was to deliver 5 newspapers. You burnt down a forest. Exploded a gas station.
Game didn't crash. What do I gotta do? Is it just picking it up, or do I actually have to like carry it somewhere? Yeah. Like start here, use this boat as a ramp. Shit, he caught me. It's Gabe, bro.
Dude, you actually just take the most difficult path possible. You could have just walked around the trees. Instead, you chose to walk straight through the branches.
I need to get
It
through
was
there.
insane. Oh. Dude, it's not even close.
I can make it
No
fit.
way.
I can make it fit. I can make it fit. Just gotta turn this boat around.
Doing the Austin Powers turn. But also shredding your boat into pieces.
Oh my god! This is part of the plan. Dude, I'm telling you, it's gonna connect now. The haters are jealous right now.
I need like 1 million for silver, and I'm at 600,001 like around.
What if I just took out this wall?
Yeah,
What is this?
they give them
guy
like
on
party drugs and then they go crazy. No, I mean like the computer mouse. The mouse that lives inside of you.
Powerful tool in existence, I think. Where do I come up at? Right here? I come up right here and shoot it. Let's roleplay.
You really tore down the whole wall, huh?
I had to.
What's the name of the game?
Top to bottom. No way.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this, run to my boat. Honestly, I could probably make it shorter. Actually, I probably couldn't make it shorter.
My boat.
Shoot this down, grab it. Thinking like boom, boom, boom. Kind of a zigzag.
Yep.
I don't know.
It's over. And then I remembered I was live, so I can't get away.
Lip lark.
Dude,
We need to bring
What
back
would you do?
aliens.
what would you do if Gray Alien came into your room and he eats you a boomerang?
Teach him more.
Whoa! What the hell?
I'd tell him to breathe in. I put a get out.
Yep,
Trust me, bro. Just inhale.
It was Justin Hale.
my brother.
Yeah, bro, your brother is not named Justin Hale. Come on.
He can be named whatever I fucking want.
True.
Yeah.
No, it's not. They'll just like verbally fist bump him like he's right.
True. It's just not true.
I don't need to tear down this whole ass wall, bro.
Roll credits. Trying my absolute hardest not to say something unfunny. Okay.
No,
I'm gonna.
they came across like a. Okay, yeah, no, go to sleep, dude.
What? No. I'm
Fuck
not gonna
you.
go to sleep. Yeah, I was gonna
Fuck
say
you.
I'm gonna do one more mission and go to sleep.
Quickly changed it.
Yeah, no, they came across like a.
Is it whipping in here or what?
Like, yeah, no. In 3 hours.
long enough.
The game. It only took me long enough.
I think I would live in this house.
Okay.
In its current state.
Yeah, if they give this house to me for like $1,000,
In its current state.
I'd be like, yeah, shit.
Yeah, sure.
I started a
Would you
fucking
live
fire in
in
this
for the
bitch.
rest of your life for $1,000?
I didn't say the
Shit.
rest of my life. Before the fire. After it'd have to cost like $500.
It's a hard sell after the fire.
After the hole in the roof, maybe like $100
Yeah.
on a piece of paper. the like
Can't have shit.
the picture of like Hulk dying. And it's like they got me for my piece of paper. I'll be here all night.
No,
Unfortunately.
you won't.
Dude, that is
I can
clean
just
as hell.
jump over it, man. Oh my god.
Backseat is.
What the fuck is this,
Yeah,
bro?
we can see where this one goes.
Yeah.
It's studied.
This is what 6 million in San Francisco gets you.
Yeah, the broom closet.
$5 million in San Francisco gets you this.
I said 6 million.
$6 million.
Yeah, check the market again.
This VOD is gonna be crazy.
Yeah. Are we at a
The
jump
video
scare
will be
yet?
Crazy.
You want a jump
It's the
scare?
uptime.
Let's see up
Exclamation
dog.
point uptime. Kill yourself.
What's the up
I say that?
Oh
Can I
no!
tell him to kill himself?
Stop! Get the dog off the screen.
Y'all wanted a jump scare, bro.
Jump scare.
Oh,
I don't know.
no.
Is it even jump scare time? That might be an undisclosed jump scare, dude. You'll get banned.
You get that, or is that just me?
Huh?
I'm making a telltale choice for myself. Where do I go? Which way, Western man? I'm gonna take this boat and drive it right here. Nobody can stop me. Dumbass. Wants to stream, maybe.
I'm playing Saints Row.
On a park.
Dude, I had my Fallen Shadow merch on. Rep it till I
No.
die. And then I went to work. And I didn't change out of it, so...
You should take it to school, I feel.
Nope.
Pussy.
So. Yeah.
Them little characters. Have you been on this level the whole damn time?
For like an hour, I guess.
I didn't mean that for
The whole stream.
I'm literally just like getting ready. I think I'm almost done. Bruh. I think I'll be able to pick up all this shit in a minute.
Why not?
Yeah. Well,
If only I could create a prediction.
you got the doubter, you got the believer, so.
Mhm.
Dude, I've had this this bookmark that's just a Google search of Gorilla Lamp with one L. I've had it bookmarked for I think
Gorilla
2 to
Lamp.
3 years.
You think it's a Google search for like how to jump up and down without heartburn or something? I don't know why you would get heartburn from jumping up and down. It's just a little metaphor.
It's not a metaphor. What are you talking about?
What is he saying, bro? What is he
It's a
talking?
metaphor, dude. Yeah, if you don't get it, then like you don't have to, buddy.
Bro, get this guy a pillow and a blankie.
Okay, so I can definitely like carry this someplace.
40s expression.
Yeah, you can carry the whole house.
Mm-hmm.
Deuces.
Sorry, whoever lives there.
Me. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later.
Goodbye.
Shit. Shit.
That was fast. Picking up the whole truck. Wow, not much of it, I guess.
Okay, hold on. Let's move it. Let's move the truck. Okay, let's move the fucking truck. Since this is where I'm gonna be getting off, I'm gonna drive it up here. And then I'm also gonna drive that house, that entire fucking watchtower up here. And this is gonna work.
You are not.
This is gonna work.
There's no way you
This-
can get that watchtower up here.
This will work. Hold on, let me move
Dude,
this.
I was a believer. I don't know if I'm believing so hard anymore.
This is what believing gets you. Progress, bro. Always remember to believe.
Painting is split in half.
It's not my...
Yeah, who could have possibly expected? Dude. That house is gigantic.
It's gonna work. Okay. Just need to swing it. Oh, it's there. No, it moved. Okay. Oh my sweet God. I'm starting to think. Let's take down some of the unimportant parts.
It's just gonna be like the painting and the wall it's attached to left.
Dude, this is I've never had a better plan. Okay. Now let's try it.
Jeez. Surely this will work.
Yeah, I know the problem. I know the problem. It's stuck on this. See? So after
Yeah, that's the problem.
yeah, see? No. Watch. And believe.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's peep inside of the watchtower. Okay, get this table out of here, bro. We don't need that shit. Get this out. What?
Renovating.
What even is this, bro? Is this like a metal bar? Get it the fuck out. Okay. I'm not sure if we need the floor.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's just gonna be the painting and the alarm by the time you're done.
Hold on. Can I? Yeah. Dude. This is so smart. Holy shit. Tear down the wall. Get it out. We don't need this stupid shit. Get this out of here. Dude, it's ready. It's ready.
It's ready.
It's ready. Hold on. Yes! Yes!
I believe
Yes!
your confidence skyrocketing.
It worked! I just need to be really careful. Yes! Yeah! Fuck!
Oh my goodness. You scared me.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It dissolved. It disintegrated, dude.
It actually just crumbled. Just the roof. Just the roof left. Dude, this has to work. It's too big to fail.
Too big to fail.
I feel like I need to get it, like, on the other side. Hold on.
It sounded like a Digimon shell.
I think the roof is as much as I am allowed to get away with. The game has finally said that is enough. No more.
You could extend that?
I didn't even... Maybe the other way? Is it gonna crash into that light post? Yep. That's okay.
Straight into the rocks.
I don't know how I'm gonna get out of this one. I honestly don't know. Wait. I have a really dumb idea. And that means it has to work, right? Shit.
This one was not dumb enough.
This is stupid. We're gonna raise it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh! It spun around. It spun around by itself. Holy shit. Okay. Shit.
Yeah, maybe it would have been nice to have part of the wall.
Bruh.
Just by the time you get there, you're just gonna break enough of the roof.
I think this one is too big for my britches. Dude, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Hold on. Hold up. This is bad. It's destroying like the only part of the roof it's connected to. You lower it. God damn it, no.
Dude, it'd be so funny if it was just stuck up there for like all of eternity.
I have a good idea. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So when I'm driving by, I'll have to stop. I'll have to stop and pick that up. Holy shit. This is gonna... If this works... That's a massive if, but if it works... I am a genius. A modern day, like, philosopher. Like...
Yeah. Yeah, looking at this stream, it really screams genius at work.
Holy moly. What a fucking nightmare this entire
So much setup.
It's so much, like an hour of setup, an hour and a half.
Yeah. I forgot the crash boat was even part of this.
I did too. I spent so long over there with the fucking crane. I already missed the jump.
He's drinky.
I've literally forgotten like the whole plan.
Telltale choice.
I forgot about the telltale choice. Okay, so I don't think this is really gonna work out.
Slow boat.
The police are here. No! Oh no! Oh no! What if this was all for nothing? What if I can't complete the mission?
You've actually spread out the art pieces more.
Shit.
Made it harder to get to them.
I'm thinking like I might just have to do the bare minimum. Okay, my car's here. Yeah, there was no way I was getting there. Okay, I'm just gonna do the bare minimum because we've been on this level forever.
It seems like the Telltale Choice boat is like slower than just walking. But I might be wrong.
I honestly have no idea at this point. I've lost my mind on this goddamn level. I'm not afraid to say I might have gone a little too far in some places.
Uh-huh.
And I think it's, like Telltale Choice boat is just like that was like the start of the downfall, I feel. Just like the start of everything going wrong.
Spiral.
Bare minimum is ready to go. I'm forgetting the route. I literally don't remember it at all.
Must be the run.
Dude, I'm struggling to remember what to even do. Okay, hold on. I need to like spray paint the path because I'm actually forgetting what to do. Okay. This route is so goddamn complicated. I don't know if it's like perfectly complicated or like as complicated as it needs to be to get bare minimum, but Fuck it. Dude, holy shit. Oh shit! I accidentally pressed E twice. Does he do it? I don't need the car.
Believers biting their nails.
Believers tearing their hair out. Hoping to God he does it. An hour and a half on that level to get bare minimum.
That's a pog bounce for sure.
Paint the car, bruh.
Paint the car.
Do I only have
With mustard yellow.
Oh, bruh. Who would drive this, bruh? Mustard yellow. And it's spray paint, too. So if it rains, it's all gonna fall off.
Yeah. Leave it with like a disgusting, like patchy ketchup mustard.
The condiment car, bruh.
Like, actual like hot dog car. Dude, you would be in like heaven for spray painting this long.
All done? All done?
Yep. Leave the quadrant on the hood. Looks good.
Dude, if they gave me that car as a piece of shit whip, oh my god.
Oh my Atlanta.
Oh my Atlanta. New map, it's not a new map. It's the same.
Not this again.
But it's okay, I'm
just gonna be here for another 4 hours.
But I am forced into this corner of the map. I haven't been here yet, so it's at least gonna be new. So we have this right here. This thing's teal, and it's in this little quiet little area that's away from everything else. And I had an evil thought to myself, and that was, what if I broke the structure to separate it from the rest, and then picked it up with the crane? But it's literally impossible.
Not again.
The crane might be too much.
Dude, if you're booking the crane out, it's bed sheets for me. You know what I mean? It's curtains, dude.
No.
There's no way I watch another hour of crane footage.
Who would have guessed? Oh. Watch this, watch this. Now it's gonna, whenever I drop it, it's gonna fall into the plank and not immediately set the alarm off. This might people turn to Grunge Messiah, because he's so intelligent. He has a
high intellect plays and thought-provoking commentary, I would say.
Mm-hmm. We might need to do the plank thing again. Just carefully. Yeah. Dude, beautiful. I'm running down the hallway. Boom, grab it. I think I might have to leave the bird cage to kind of just like rot. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that. If I shoot that and it drops down here, it might be fine. Okay, so that wire is not going to do anybody any favors. I kind of have a little bit of a crazy idea.
Okay.
So I'm thinking like I get a crane. Now just bear with me. Because I'm not gonna like do anything too crazy. But I get a crane and I get like a car. And then I come over here and I use the car as kind of a bridge. So like it's like I start here, grab this, run over here, grab that, jump back out, run over here quickly, grab this, get on the car and crane, and then get over here so that... And then I need to make like an exit right there, but then I can drag it to my car and then quickly run in and grab this. I think that might work. I do need to just like completely get rid of this wall. Like, some may say tear it down.
You have just some inhuman urge to tear down walls, entire walls.
I think I need to for my plan to work. I might be able to move it. No silly goose. Oh, good idea, me. I can just throw it down. And then I can come pick it up as I'm doing the crane thing. What's with all the fire?
Oh my god!
Spray paint the fire. Yeah.
Thinking ahead. I'm also gonna just plank right here, just in case I'm a doofus. Grab that.
2014 be like.
Bruh. Maybe I could skip the plank or the crane thing altogether. Might be at least faster. Streets absolutely wandering.
Pondering.
I gotta take it slow right here. Yeah. That fucking platform I built is so janky.
One more lane. Just one more lane.
Just one more lane. Please, bro, one more lane.
Dude. This platform is...
Dude, this shit sucks.
It's really good drink champ, you know. Everyone got that one pot, friend.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
I'm like slamming my body against the fucking walls.
Am I not like this prepped?
Get it in front of me. No, I turned around at the worst time. Shit. Aw, bruh. I threw. Oh my god. What the
Dude,
fuck?
I've been fiending for some Wendy's, I'm not gonna lie. It's almost like Wendy's?
Yeah, did somebody say In-N-Out? Did somebody say Jack in the Box?
Why'd you put an X to that guy?
He looks scary.
What did you do? You could have made him into a funny clown.
Yeah,
But
he
you are
looks
addicted to money. Oh, new drawing unlocked.
The money symbol and the X were the only two I knew how to do.
It's just trivial.
Actually, baby game. For babies, by babies, I think is the tagline.
Something like that. like Toys R Us. Before they went into business. Yeah, Gen Z won't get that one, so.
Gen Z won't get this one. I literally cannot see a goddamn thing.
Yeah, Gen Z doesn't know about Toys R Us.
This is free. We can leave.
Where even are you?
Dude, they were on my ass. They knew.
They definitely got your plate and everything. But...
Yeah, but they didn't, you know, kill me. So,
yeah, it's Sweden.
Live to fight another day. Dude, this is the car. I made this car, bro.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I blew up every square inch of this house.